Hi there, my name is Melanie, and I worked with Remodel Republic for the selection, design, and installation of my beautiful cabinetry that I now have here. Murat and his team were great to work with. They helped me from the beginning to pick the, I think, very modern color selection with the cabinets and designing them to make sure that I had the most efficient use of the space, from building the cabinets that went all the way to the ceiling to putting the right sort of hardware into the corner cabinets. It's a much more innovative Lazy Susan concept that I'm very excited about. But the team was great to work with from the start to finish, and I very much appreciated their attention to detail, willingness to come back and fix the little things that come up, of course, through the process. And it was a great experience overall, and I would recommend using Remodel Republic for your redesign needs.